Good morning, student. In previous class, we already completed the chapter polynomial. Only the last exercise and last question is factorize the following polynomial. We completed, but we have to revise the sums in that question because this is important. This question is asked in every exam for 3 to 4 marks. So we have to revise this exercise, this question number 2, factorize the following. Okay, in that we already completed the 1, 2, 3 sums. Now we start with the fourth sum, and the fourth sum is here. Fourth sum is x square minus 2x plus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. This is your given polynomial. Now you have to find out the factor of this polynomial. Okay, now we already know that. See here, in this first bracket x square minus 2x is there. In this first bracket x square minus 2x is there, and in second bracket also x square minus 2x is there. The same terms are there. So now you have to substitute any alphabet for this same term. Okay, so now let x square minus 2x is equal to m. We substitute it as m. Then you get here, see, for this you have to substitute m. For this you have to substitute m. So then you get m plus 3 into m plus 5 minus 35. Okay, now this is your new polynomial. Now here, see, you have to multiply these two, means m into m, m square plus 5m plus 3m plus 15, 5 3 is 15 minus 35. Okay, so now here m square plus 8m and minus 20. This is your quadratic polynomial. Now you reduce this polynomial to quadratic polynomial by substituting x square minus 2x is equal to m in the given polynomial. Right? Now come to this. Now factorize this one. How to factorize? Now you have to find out the factor of 20 such that the subtraction of that factor is 8. Now see here, it is 20. Now you have to find out the factor of 20 such that the subtraction is 8. Now see, 20 means what? 10 into 2, 10 to the 20, and subtraction is 10 minus 2 is 8. So you want 8 subtraction and multiplication 20. So you have to choose these two factors. Okay, so write down now this one. Split the middle term, m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20. Okay, now find out the common factor from these two and these two. First here m is common, so you get m plus 10. Right? Minus 2 is common here, so you get m plus 10. Right? Now again m plus 10 and m plus 10 is common in both, so you have to take m plus 10 common, and in second bracket you get m minus 2. Okay, now these are the factors of this polynomial in the form of m, in the form of variable m, but we want in the form of x. Okay, so now resubstitute. See here, resubstitute m is equal to x square minus 2x. Now you have to replace the m by x square minus 2x. So you get here m means x square minus 2x plus 10, and in second bracket x square minus 2x minus 2. These two factors are there. If this is also one of the quadratic polynomial, and this is also one of the quadratic polynomial. If the factors of this also if you get, you can find out. Okay, see here, 10 is there, so find the factor of 10 such that their addition is minus 2. Is it possible? Their addition is minus 2. No. Here also the minus 2. Find the factor of minus 2 such that their subtraction is minus 2. It is also not possible. So these are the final factors of the given polynomial. Okay. This is your final answer. X square minus 2x plus 10 into x square minus 2x minus 2. We can't further factorize these two. Okay. So this is the final answer. In this way you can factorize the given polynomial. Now come to the next question, that is question number 5. See, this is question number 5. So what is the question? Y plus 2 into y minus 3 into y plus 8 into y plus 3 plus 56. This is the given polynomial. Now you have to find out the factor of this polynomial. Now see, normally you see this is not a quadratic polynomial. First you have to reduce this polynomial to quadratic polynomial and then you have to find out the factors of that polynomial. Okay, how to reduce here? Now see, first here y plus 2 is there. Now second part y plus 3 is there. You can take these two one side. Then y minus 3 into y plus 8 and plus 56. Only we change the place of the factor. Okay. Now see, is equal to y into y square plus 3y plus 2y plus 3 to the 6. Okay, this is in first bracket. These two you multiplied. Now you have to multiply these two. Y into y square plus 8y minus 3y and 8 3s are 24 minus 24. Okay, plus 56. Okay, in second bracket you get this. Now see here also in first bracket y square 3 plus 2 5y plus 6 and in second bracket y square 8 minus 3 it is 5y minus 24 plus 56. Now see, in previous example in two brackets same term is there. Here also you get the same term, y square plus 5y, y square plus 5y. Now substitute some alphabet to this one. Okay. Now here let y square plus 5y is equal to m. You substitute y square plus 5y is equal to m in the given polynomial. Then what we get? See, for this you have to substitute m and for this you have to substitute m. M plus 6 into m minus 24 plus 56. Okay, now you multiply this one. M into m square minus 24m plus 6m minus 24 6 are 96 plus 56. Okay, see here 6 4 are 24. Oh, sorry. Take 1 minute. 6 4 are 24. 4 carry 2. 6 to 12 plus 2. 14. 144. Right. So now you get m square minus 24 plus 6. It is minus 18 m. And here minus 14 minus 6 8. Here 3. 13 minus 5 8. 88. Right. You get m square minus 18m minus 88. Now you have to find out the factor of this. Now find the factor of 88 such that their subtraction is 18. 88. Okay. Now see here, I will find out the factors here. 88 means here first you write down 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 2 2s are, then 2 1s are 2 1s are, then 11 1s are 11. These are the factors. Now you want 18. Subtraction is 18. Means 11 2s are 22 minus 4. Okay, means the factors are The factors of 88 is 22 and 4. Factors of 88 is the factors of 88 is 22 and 4. Okay. See, 24 to 4 is 88. Now you want minus, means you have to take minus here and plus here. So you get the new m square minus 22m plus 4m minus 88. This is your new polynomial. Now you have to find out the factors of this. See here now. Now see, you have to take common between these two, that is m is common, and in bracket m minus 22, plus here you have to take common 4, in bracket m minus 22. So again m minus 22, m minus 22 is same, so m minus 22 in first bracket and m plus 4 in second bracket. Okay, these are the factors, but you have to resubstitute now. Now resubstitute m is equal to, we already substituted that. What we substituted for m? See, we substituted m for y square plus 5y. Okay, so in place of m you have to write down now y square plus 5y. So here y square plus 5y minus 22 into y square plus 5y plus 4. Okay, these are the two factors of this polynomial. Again you have to see whether further we can factorize these two or not. See 22. So you have to find out the factor of 22 such that their subtraction is 5. 22 means 11 2s are 22, but we can't find out the factor such that their subtraction is 5. So you have to keep the same. Okay, now here also, here it is 4, right? The factor of 4 are there whose addition is 5. You can subtract, you can find out the factor of this one. Okay, so write down the first name, y square plus 5y minus 22 into, here you can write y square plus 4y plus y plus 4, right? So y square plus 5y minus 22 into, here you can take y plus 4 plus 1 y plus 4, right? So you get y square plus 5y minus 22 in first bracket, in second bracket y plus 4, in third bracket y plus 1. These are actual the factors of the given polynomial. Okay, y square plus 5y minus 22 into y plus 4 into y plus 1, right? So this is your fifth question. Now come to the sixth question. See, this is sixth question here. Y square plus 5y in first bracket, in second bracket y square plus 5y minus 2 in minus 24. Now you have to first reduce this given polynomial to quadratic polynomial. Now how to reduce here? See here, again y square plus 5y in first bracket and y square plus 5y in second bracket also. Means you have to substitute something. Let y square plus 5y is equal to m. Right, then you get m into m minus 2 minus 24. So it is m square minus 2m minus 24. This is now quadratic polynomial. Now find out the factor of 24 such that their subtraction is 2. Okay, so 6 4s are 24 and you want minus, therefore the greater number is minus, smaller number is plus. So here m square minus 6m plus 4m minus 24. Now see here, you have to take common m minus 6 plus, here you have to take common 4, here m minus 6, again m minus 6 and m minus 6 is common in both, so you have to take this, it is in first bracket, m minus 6 in second bracket m plus 4. These are the factors, but it is in a variable m, but you want in a variable y. Now you have to resubstitute. Now resubstitute m is equal to y square plus 5y. Then you get y square plus 5y minus 6 in first bracket. In second bracket, y square plus 5y plus 4 in second bracket. Okay. Again, see here, these two are also the quadratic polynomial. You have to find out the factor of these two further also. Okay. So how to find out the further factors of this? Now I will show you the final answer. You have to find out. See now. Here it is y square plus 5y is there. Y square plus 5y minus 6 in first bracket, and in second bracket it is y square plus 5y plus 4 is there. Now how to find out the factors of these two quadratic polynomial again? Okay, so here see 6 is there, so find out the factor of 6 such that the subtraction is 5. Means 6 the 6 1 the 6. You can split it, y square plus 6y minus y minus 6 in this way, and in second it is y square plus 4y plus y plus 4. See 5y 4 plus 1, here 5y 6 minus y, that is 5y. Again you have to take common y, here y plus 6 in first bracket minus 1, here y plus 6 in second bracket. Okay, this is first one. Now in second one also you have to take y common, y plus 4 in first bracket plus here 1 is common, y plus 4 in second bracket. Okay, this is second one. Now y plus 6 is there, y plus 6 is there, so you have to take y plus 6 in first bracket, and in second bracket y minus 1. Here y plus 4 is common, so y plus 4, and in second bracket y plus 1. Okay, actual these are the factors of your given polynomial. Y plus 6, y minus 1, y plus 4 and y plus 1. These four factors are there for your given polynomial. Okay, so in this way we completed the almost all problems from the exercise. Okay, this is last exercise and we completed all the factorization. Okay, practice at 3.6. Student, now see in your semester only these 3 chapters are there up to polynomial. Okay, and MCQs are only for the internal assessment, that is from only polynomial. 10 MCQs are there from polynomial, so you have to prepare fully. Okay, for semester also and for your internal assessments also. Okay, so prepare the polynomial chapter fully. If any doubt, you can ask me anytime. I will solve all the doubts. Right? So we will stop here now, and I wish you have to prepare the full and you get the full marks. Okay, your result is very best and you get maximum marks there. Right? So thank you.